editor suggest filter graceful. So controls whether filtering and sorting suggestions accounts for small typos. So let me show you what this looks like. So this is set to true, so it's turned on. And if we want to write cost, but let's purposefully make a typo. So let's say kosten, for example, or kostent, right? And it's going to still suggest cost here, even though the S is first, is before the N. It's gonna still give you this suggestion. Now, obviously this is a typo, and this is what this feature does. If you set this to false and you do constant, it's not going to suggest cost anymore because the S is before the N, so it knows that in cost that's it's the opposite, so it's not going to suggest that for you. Now I find this feature to be very useful, so I'm going to just leave it as true.